Hey guys, I'm trying to add a little yellow to the kitchen just for spring. You know, I did something in the entryway a couple of days ago using some yellow tulips and some of my blue and white, but I'm not going to use the blue and white today. I think I saw something like this, similar to this, on Pinterest. So I'm going to use some real lemons and try to bring a little yellow to the kitchen. So let's see how this goes. Little, how many is it going to take? Maybe one more. Maybe one more. I was going to use this one, but I think this might be too small. So let's put that one aside. I have some flowers, some greenery from Dollar Tree. These are so cute, don't you think? Look at these. I like these. Let's see if I can get them in here without poking my lemons. You know, I saw someone on YouTube I was watching recently who had some faux lemons. I have to get some of those. I'm going to check Amazon to see if I can find some faux lemons. But real lemons really make things smell so fresh. So let's see. Let me step back and see what this looks like. Today. I hope everybody's having an awesome day so far and enjoying the weather. We got a lot of snow, was it yesterday? So right now it's pretty much melted. We still have some little patches that we need to clean off out front. So let's put in some tulips. Let me play around with this and I'll come back. Alright guys, so I played around with it a little bit and this is what I have. Let's see, I didn't tell you that the vase was a leftover vase from a floral arrangement that I got a couple of years ago, and I used it at Christmas time and put that black and white check ribbon around it. And I thought I could just reuse it. I'll light this up a little bit. I thought I could just reuse it by adding some flowers to it and the lemons. So I hope this is coming out true to form and that you can see the lemons. It's been a couple of years now. And the flowers all came from Dollar Tree, as I mentioned. So this is just a little something that I came up with. And hopefully I can use this somewhere in the kitchen. I'm going to try to put it somewhere in the kitchen, on the kitchen counter. It's just a little something. I hope you're sprucing up your kitchen for spring. I am so there. You know, I'm a spring baby, so I love everything about this. The fresh lemons. So thanks guys for coming along with me as I did this. I'm gonna have to clean up all those little yellow droppings from that plant, from the faux plant. The little berries are everywhere. So let me get to cleaning, and I will see you all in my next production.